Hey, I'm Ross, and you're watching Sky Management. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change out the batteries on your Schlage Encode Smart Lock. These Schlage Encode locks are absolutely fantastic. I use them on all my rentals. I use them on my personal home. They are absolutely fantastic. They connect to the Wi-Fi. You can unlock the door from anywhere, and you can program all kinds of different codes into them so that all your friends and your family can have different codes and you know who's coming and going. So let me go show you how to change out the batteries in your Schlage Encode lock. The Schlage Encode uses 4 AA batteries, and I think that's great because these are about the only batteries that I always seem to have on hand because they go in everything. So to get to the batteries, you just lift up on this top part, it comes right off, no tools required. Slide out the inside, and you'll find your 4 old batteries in here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. And we'll put the new batteries in. When you're putting in the new batteries, the spring goes toward the flat side of the battery or the negative side. And there is an illustration on the back side of the battery case here that shows which direction they go. I've inserted my 4 batteries and I'll slide it right back in. Just like so. It will beep once you slide the batteries in so that you know that it's in there. Just beeped. Put the battery cover on and we're good to go. There is no need to reprogram it. It'll connect right back into your Wi-Fi and it will have all of the codes programmed into it that it had before. So nothing has changed. You just swapped out the batteries and it's good to go. One of the things that I love about the Schlage Encode is that when the battery starts getting low, it gives you a notification on your phone because this is connected to the Wi-Fi, which goes to the app, and then the app will give you the notification saying, hey, your battery's running low, and it gives you a good amount of time to change that out. You'll get a few weeks worth of time to get in here and change the batteries, so you're not rushed to do it. The worst thing that can happen is that you don't change the batteries and you end up locking yourself out of the house, and that has happened to me before with electronic locks. So you want to be careful not to let it get to that point that it locks you out. Again, I think these Schlage Encode Smart Locks are absolutely fantastic. I will put a link for these in the description of the video. I use them all the time and they're wonderful. If you are looking for a smart lock, the Schlage Encode is definitely the way to go. Thank you for watching Sky Management. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.